Hi and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another podcast video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at the biggest headlines in the crypto space. This is the stuff that I believe you need to be kept informed about. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here, and developers continue to dive into the crypto space as market remains lackluster. This is really interesting, right? Surveyed builders show most interest in smart contract security and account abstraction. So look, for me, this is really interesting. I think it shows that, you know, people within Web 2 and Web 3 are all looking to, you know, get into blockchain technology and that aspect of things. This is where the next iteration of everything's going to be, but most importantly for builders, the next iteration of the internet. So super excited, and I think it's a very, very good sign for blockchain and cryptocurrency moving forward. It might feel lackluster right now, but in a few months' time, you know, we could enter a bull market and, you know, everything starts to really, you know, take hold. The FOMO starts to go. People start to, you know, come into blockchain technology and crypto in their dozens. And then, you know, the sentiment is completely different. So there's a reason why the bear markets are so lucrative. If you're switched on, you're watching, you're paying attention, and you've got good people around you, then, you know, you're likely to do really well in this space. It is true. It's very, very volatile, particularly in a bear market. You know, the market can move more significantly in a bear market, and, you know, people can find themselves in huge amounts of loss if they aren't, you know, doing their due diligence, their own research, and don't understand the space. But I think it's really important to keep good people around you. Why do I say this? Because we have a Discord with over 7,000 people. They're supporting one another, navigate this space safely. I think it's a fantastic community. It's definitely worth immersing yourself in the community. And best of all, it's absolutely free to do so. So definitely check out the Discord. Link is in the description. But let's move on. Let's you know, have a look at what else is really important to be aware of. We've got crypto stocks dip after Bitcoin slumps to 6-week low. So what I would say is there's lots of opportunities, and this is why it's really important to surround yourself with like-minded crypto enthusiasts that, you know, have got an array of different experiences and length of time in the space, like our Discord, for example, because there's many people that would have been FOMOing in because we're seeing big companies getting exposure to the likes of Coinbase and other companies with exposure to Bitcoin. We have seen this firsthand. It's been all in the headlines, and, you know, retail will be FOMOing into those stocks as well, right? Following these people, perhaps a little bit too late. And then we see the pullback for Bitcoin and the impact that has. And, you know, these are people that aren't in blockchain technology. They are not interested in cryptocurrency. They don't understand the market cycles. They don't understand how early it is. They get nervous. They pull out of those stocks. So, you know, this is what I'm talking about. You know, people getting involved, not understanding what it is that they're getting involved in. Immerse yourself in a fantastic community. I really do think it's worth doing. We got crypto.com rolls out direct euro transfers for retail traders. So again, more positives. I think these things are pretty positive. If you understand what it is that's, you know, actually going to be happening off the back of this stuff. Got Tel Aviv Stock Exchange to offer crypto services via Fireblocks Pact. I think this is, again, something that's really, really interesting. I think we're going to see more of this over the coming months. We're going to have a bull market bigger than I think people would ever imagine. I do think the next bull market is going to be something, you know, monstrous in comparison to the last one. I think that, you know, things are set up slightly differently to the last cycle in the respect that, there's more big brands interested, involved in cryptocurrency, building right now, ready for that, takeoff moment that we will get in the blockchain space. So look, pay attention to this sort of stuff. BlackRock talking about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin positively, JP Morgan and many others. This for me is just a sign of things to come. And yeah, look, exciting times, right? We've got Robinhood turns profitable in Q2, but crypto revenue declines. So again, there's positive signs, and I think it's really important to be aware of these positive signs in the space, because I think we are starting to see this little shift towards a more positive market. Will we see new lower lows? Time will tell. The macro doesn't look particularly healthy right now. Property market has got quite a lot of cracks showing already, and I think that politicians and governments are being very misleading when it comes to inflation rates and how it is actually impacting the everyday individual. So lots going on, lots of things to be aware of, and lots of things to be concerned about. But ultimately it's good to see these positive signs. Could it mean that like I say, the sentiment is changing and we're gonna see more positive times ahead? It's going to be interesting to watch how everything transpires though on that. So we got bankrupt crypto lender BlockFi inches closer to refunding clients. The firm receives conditional approval for its restructuring plan from the US bankruptcy court. So again, more positives. It's going to be interesting to see what these plans actually look like and how successful that is. For the actual investors in BlockFi. So let us know your thoughts and opinions on everything crypto related that we've covered in today's video. Really interested to get your views and opinions. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.